Which I guess I can say I know how to clip my ends now. Do I want to keep clipping my ends on my own? No, not in the slightest. So don't get this video twisted. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Elise Kiera, and here on this channel we talk about all things natural hair. So what I'm going to do today is something that I've seen a lot of other people do right now while we are in quarantine, and that is trimming my own ends. It could be a bad idea, I'm sure, but I'm confident that I'm not going to do too bad with my hair. So this is my hair blow dried. I have not blow dried my hair since November of 2019. And what I have here with me is some hair scissors. These are by the brand Goody, and I think I got these from like Walmart, Target, maybe Target. I don't know where I got these. Myers, one of these stores. I got these scissors for like $10 or something like that. Not too expensive. I have a fine tooth comb, some clips, and then my scissors. So what I'm gonna do is, I already have my hair parted down the middle as straight as I'm gonna get it. I do not know how to part very well. And I'm going to put the top half up in a clip. So this is probably not the best blow dry job, but like I said, I've not blow dried my hair in months. I've only blow dried my hair twice since like 2018. So this is as good as it's gonna get. So I'm putting the first section here in a clip, and I'm gonna attempt to part my hair as straight as I can get it. Listen, I'm not the best at this. Whoops, I lost my comb, y'all. Hold on. So let's see. That doesn't look too bad. So I'll clip this part up as well. And then I'm just gonna take the back section and part it into two. And honestly, I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos on this. This is not gonna be a professional job, but I do have some split ends, a lot of split ends actually. And I have a lot of single strand knots that literally they just have to go. I'm sick of feeling them, they're awful. So I'm gonna just like eyeball this. I'm gonna try to keep the sides of my hair even as much as I can. Sorry. So let's see. Right now, back some. They are pretty even, the size of my hair. Pretty even. I actually think this side in the back is a little bit longer and the front is shorter, but here's we are. And let's see, I have my fine tooth comb. I'm just gonna comb through a couple times from the root and try to keep it as taut as possible. And then go down. And I'm just going down until I feel the ends like super rough, and it's actually a lot. I'm not gonna cut that much off, but a lot does need to be cut. I think because I have not had my ends clipped in so long, like even though my hair's been growing, like the split ends of it just have been getting worse. So, oops. Here we go. And I'll just stand up and get a little closer so you can kind of see what my ends are looking like. I know it's pretty tragic, pretty tragic. So, just going down, I'm pulling my hair really tight. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. I'm not cutting that much. Don't ask me if this is an inch or what, because I don't know how to do that. But go through it one more time. I've been noticing I've been having a lot of breakage, and it's not like full strands, it's just like short little pieces. And I think, you know, it's just my hair breaking off from these single strand knots, and it's not pleasant. And I want my hair to keep growing, so Here we go. So you can see this end here, really, really ratty. And I'm gonna just go and clip. Let's see. Wow, that even feels better like going through my comb. Let's see. Like I said, by no means a professional, but that looks much better. I'm just gonna get a couple more. Boom. It looks better. Not perfect, but it does look better. So let me do the other side. I'll just do the same thing. Oof. I don't know if y'all can hear this. It's a little crunchy, okay? Really crunchy. Okay. So yeah, it's just a, ugh. Yeah, all this has to go. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's bad. All of this is just gonna go. No sense in holding on to dead hair, okay? I learned that a long time ago when I got a consistent hairstylist. Like, it's literally no point in holding on to no dead ends because your hair is not gonna grow. Like, consistent trims, I really know, do work. So I'm kind of mad at myself for going so long without a trim, but things happen. Get a little bit more. All right, this is what we're looking like, and I just want to see if the ends are kind of even on both sides. Not bad, not bad. They're still kind of like the same length, so I'm gonna just twist this section off together so that I can go on to the next section up. And I just gotta do my whole head in this manner. And I'm not gonna go crazy. Like I said, I'm not a professional by any means. I don't wanna make my hair choppy. So I'm going to be, you know, very reserved with how much I'm cutting, but also like if the area is just really, really split and I'm feeling a bunch of knots and it's just not really pleasant to run my hands through it, then I'm sorry, you're gonna have to get cut. Okay, so I am back. I cut the whole back section, just doing, like I showed you guys, taking both sides of my hair, pulling it taut, going through it with the fine tooth comb, snipping. I did it actually twice on both sides because I noticed that when I did the first cut, sometimes it was like a piece or two that I didn't get. So I did it twice just to make sure everything was even. I pulled each side to make sure they matched, and they pretty much did. So now I am to the front. So I decided to come back on camera. And I want to do something like the same thing. I don't know. So what I'll do is just make a part. I'm not good at parting, guys. So I'll make a part and I'll just do the same thing on both sides so I can make sure I'm keeping things as even as possible, considering the circumstances. Pull it taut. And I'm trying not to like move my head because I feel like when I move my head, like some of the hair slips a little bit. So I try not to move my head until I've like pulled it all the way down. And now that I have, I can kind of see what I'm working with. And then I'll pull it down some more. And then I just cut off like a little bit. So here we go. And like I said, I'm gonna do this again just to make sure I didn't miss anything. And if I did, I can get whatever I missed. And like I said, it's just like a couple hairs So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. All right. And it just feels so much better. Even like running my comb through it, it feels so much better. And let me try to find, I was gonna try to find a piece so I can show you. Like, it's so many single strand knots in my hair. It's crazy. And I was feeling it. It was starting to become a big problem because I was really feeling it. Like when I was like shampooing and conditioning my hair, like running my fingers through my hair just was not the same. It just felt super like rough. And it was just those knots. And that's what was causing a lot of like the little breakage pieces that I had been seeing. All right. So now to unclip, oh, y'all, to unclip, and now we'll see what it's looking like. So I pulled the back sections to see how they look. So I'll do the same for the front as well. But it's so much easier to get this brush through it. Like, I'm actually proud of myself right now because I don't feel like I did a bad job. Okay, let's see. Not bad. This side is shorter anyway, so you saw that little piece pop out. But all in all, it's looking like they're pretty much the same length. So I'm gonna take this back section out and brush that out. All right, so this is the final product, and I'm actually really pleased, y'all. It does not look like I even cut my hair, honestly, but it feels literally, oh my gosh, it feels so much better. Like, I don't feel any single strand knots, like any. Like, it's soft. Oh my gosh, y'all, let me stop playing. Yes, it's looking good. So definitely, like, if you are having a hard time booking with a stylist right now, or if you just want to clip your ends yourself at home, don't really want to pay the money, I would definitely say, you know, go for it. Obviously, don't do too much. You know, you're not a professional, so don't do too much. Just clip off, you know, as little as possible, but as enough as possible. You know, if you see the damage, go ahead and cut it, but also want to keep in mind that you don't want to look choppy. You want the size of your hair to be, you know, still even. So kind of being a bit, you know, conservative with how much you're cutting, but definitely kind of doing it yourself is not that bad. These scissors were $10. This little comb was $3, you know, so you can have a home trim for $13, okay? So it's not bad. And I use a heat protectant, and I use, like, you know, leave-in, then I use the heat protectant, so I'm not really worried about heat damage or anything like that. I have, you know, blow dried my hair before, and, you know, nothing really happened. I feel like I took the necessary precautions, so, you know, she'll be all right. So I will show you guys actually how much I cut off in total, because I kept all the hair right here. Literally this much for my whole head. So it's not bad. Like, at first I'm like, hold on. When I first started doing my first couple of cuts, I'm like, ugh, this seems like a lot. But as time kept going on and I kept seeing my little pile, I'm like, this is nothing compared to all the hair that's on my head right now. So definitely go for it. Don't be scared. If you know, have been thinking about it, I would say just go for it. I feel like it looks pretty good, and if it doesn't look good to y'all, it don't matter because it feels, you know, 100% better. So definitely go for it. All right, so let me know how you think I did in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Also, let me know what type of videos you want to see, other styles that you'd like to see me do. If you'd like to see me do more styles on blow dry hair or, you know, stretched hair in general, definitely let me know, and I will see you guys on the next one.